This technique was used by a lot of people and they came back telling me in the comment that ma'am the technique was really magically for us and I am improving. It's giving me such great results. So it if it is helping them, it will help you and it is proven technique. Actually my mind goes blank when I speak English. When I try to speak English and I heard this problem so many times and I just want to say one thing, it happens. It used to happen with me also and I can totally understand if it happens with you. I have few ideas to share with you and I am sure they are going to help you. I have some amazing tips for you. So let's start. Hi, I am Preeti, your host and educator, and you are watching your favorite channel, that is Easy Way to Learn with Preeti. Now I am going to tell you some main points. Actually, what happens when you try to speak English? You take pause when you try to speak English. You take pause and your confidence lost. You are shaky, you are scared, and you are hesitant also. You don't want to be continue, you just fire. First, your approach should be like a fighter. Your approach should be a fighter. Okay, just hear me out. The problem is not your vocabulary, okay? You just need very few words, very simple words in English. The problem is not your vocabulary. The problem is hesitation of doing something new. The hesitation that you face when you are trying to do something new, because you are habitual to speak everything in your mother tongue. You are not very used to of speaking English. So this is the hesitation that always comes in your way. This is the hesitation. So this is the main issue. And the second biggest problem is of the habit of your mind to attach itself with comfort. Your mind is not ready to give up something from comfort zone. Trust me guys, trust me students, if you can easily speak and you can easily communicate, speak something in Hindi, you can say that, you can say it in English also. You can try something like मुझे लाल रंग बहुत पसंद है. I like red color the most. Is it difficult to say this in English? And I am 101% sure you can speak, you can say these sentences in very easily in English also. And that is what I used to actually. Okay, once you start practicing in English regularly, once you start practicing in English regularly, one day you will definitely win and you will overcome, you will start overcoming the problem when you are trying to speak in English. We all are human beings, right? And we all are facing the same path right now, okay? So now I want to tell some magical tips, abracadabra. So I want to tell you some magical tips which will help you to improve your English. And the first magical tip is start speaking in front of the mirror. Yes, speak in front of the mirror. Just shut the door of your room and stand in front of the mirror and start something. Speak to English. Something it means on any matter like you can talk there. You can talk in front of the mirror about yourself, your habits, your limitations, your advantages, and what is the main motive to learn English. You can talk about your favorite vegetables, your favorite fruit, and your favorite movie character also. So don't use fancy words, use very simple language and very simple words when you are talking yourself. And this is one thing, always remember it, that I said 100 and 1000 times, that you should be very simple. Just practice means trying to learn a new language, and without practice it means it is the wasting of time. So practice is most important, and it is most necessary also. One more thing you can do, that is you can record your voice in English. You can after recording, and after recording, you can listen your voice, which type of obstacles you face there, and which problem you face in the time of speaking. I hope this video will helpful for you, and if you like the video, please give it a like, share it with somebody, and I will be back very soon with another such video. Till then, you take care of yourself. Bye bye.